Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the bukyo. A bukyo is a modified version of a tricycle. A tricycle is a transportation vehicle known on the Philippines. Riding a bukyo is a service that falls in the category of people processing. People processing is a service that requires the presence or involvement of the customer. Examples of people processing are establishments that requires the presence of people. Examples of these are barbershops, salons, and other customer service-oriented establishments. Let's go. We are going to find the bukyo now. We can get their attention by saying para po and other means. Unfortunately, there is no bukyo passing by. So our choice is go on a terminal and find one.